Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to make this wonderful salad, but before I do that, I just want to do a quick little plug for my new vegan channel. We've got a 100% vegan channel that we've just started. I'll leave the link below. If you're into vegan stuff, check it out. It's fabulous. Right, on the menu today, we're going to make an incredible potato salad, potato chickpea salad. I've got some lovely little bits in there. It's very simple. The pomegranate is divine. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here then. So, roughly equal parts of chickpeas and potatoes. With the potatoes, I peeled them, I boiled them with a little bit of salt. And you can see they're pretty small. Kind of the same size as the chickpeas, I suppose. Now, I'm using chickpeas from a can. If you're going to use from a can, give them a really lovely wash in some cold water. A cup of grated carrot, a little bit of bell pepper. Here I've got some pomegranate, really delicious. Fresh mint, tiny amount of onion, and then I've got white vinegar and olive oil. I've got a really lovely quality extra virgin olive oil, and I'm using like a 3-to-1 in favor of the oil. 3 parts oil, 1 part of the vinegar. Salt and pepper, that's it. This is fabulous. So absolutely nothing to it. You can see I've got a mixing bowl with my chickpeas and my potatoes in. We're going to put in the pomegranate, which is fabulous in there. A little bit of bell pepper, a little bit of sweetness. The grated carrot. Tiny amount of chopped onion. And again, you can really play around with the amounts of any of this if you want. The fresh mint, which I think is perfect in there. A little bit of white vinegar. You could be using lemon or lime juice if you want. That's about a tablespoon, and then about 3 tablespoons of a really nice quality olive oil. A little bit of seasoning of just salt and pepper. We're going to give that a mix, and this is done. Now, if you wanted, think about putting in some tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, anything you like. So easy, so delicious. And there you go, just really simple, fresh, clean, and wonderful. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy. What more do you want? Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Please do check out our vegan channel. I need some help on that. We've just started it. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.